Terms of algebraic expressions. Any number, letter, group of letters or number-letter combination separated by the symbols plus or minus from the rest of expression is called the term of the algebraic expression. The sign is counted with the term that comes after it. For example, the algebraic expression is shown in the following on screen. This contains 4 different terms, namely 3, minus 4x, 2y3 and minus z out of 3. If 2 or more terms of an algebraic expression have the same combination of letters, they are called like terms. Like terms are important in an algebraic expression as we can add or subtract like terms with each other. For example, in the previous algebraic expression we cannot do any operation with its terms, as there are no like terms in it. All terms of algebraic expressions begin with a number called coefficient. A number that is not followed by a letter is known as a constant. Thus, in the algebraic expression shown previously, the numbers 4, 2 and minus 1/3 are coefficients while 3 is a constant. If there is no number written before a variable, the coefficient is taken as 1, or minus 1 when the term is preceded by a negative sign. This derives from the identity element of multiplication, 1a equals a. 1 equals a. On the other hand, if there is no constant in an algebraic expression, it is taken as 0. This derives from the identity element of addition, 0 plus a equals a plus 0 equals a. For example, the coefficients of the algebraic expression is shown in the following on screen. These are 5 and minus 1, while the constant is 0. That is all for lesson 6.1.3. To continue this tutorial, please watch 6.1.4, Simplifying Algebraic Expressions. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.